Okay, so we're back and we're gonna make a bit of a wood and resin mixed project here. So I've got my resin all mixed up, put a couple drops of red in there. Mix that up and see how that looks. We've got some wood cut out here. I've got some packing tape here in case you can't really see it. I'm gonna use the foam core as a spacer. So try to position those onto the tape so you get a relatively even spacing on them. Now we'll just cut our foam core down. So we got two sides here. See how far we need to go with that. Put that back in there. The reason I'm using the tape on the bottom is just so that my wood doesn't float up. So no one likes floating wood. That's a lie. Lots of people like floating wood. Also known as driftwood. Maybe this summer I'll make a trip out to the beach and see if I can find some. If you'd like to see a driftwood project, leave a comment down below. Okay, so pop that one in there. And put this across the top. Got some hot glue here. We're just gonna glue everything together. Okay, pull the spacer out there. I think that should be good. And now we're just going to dump that down the crack and hope that we don't have any leaks. We'll let that sit, we'll let that cure up, we'll unmold it, and then we'll make something of it. You might notice this looks a little different. I actually did finish the red one, but I wasn't happy with the way that turned out. So I recut some wood and essentially re-poured it. So I figured you didn't need to see that. We'll probably put a snip of it up into the corner there. But one of the mistakes I made, and it's not a mistake, but it's the way that worked out. I was using it end grained up, and when I applied the oil to it, it just darkened it to a point where I wasn't liking it. Sanding was a pain in the butt. So I've remade it here a little bit different, a little lighter wood, not red resin, we went with blue. So I'm going to demold this and let's see what we got here. Try to break this tape here. Come around the other side so I can make sure that stays on camera as I wrestle with this. Now I did put tape on all sides of the... Okay, so just taking a look at that. That looks a lot nicer. The lines are a lot more straight. On the other one we didn't have same size lines in a couple places. I guess the blocks had shifted. Okay, let's try it again. With a 1/16 of an inch last time. We're gonna have to go smaller.
Okay, well that'll give us the base shape and we'll refine it from there. Now, over to the bandsaw. We'll move on over to the sander. Okay, so we've done some sanding. Now, we're just going to put on a little bit of oil. Now, you want to use some sort of natural oil, not cooking oil, not vegetable oil, because that could go rancid. I use a mineral oil on this. So let's get up there. I put it on my cloth. We'll just give it a good wipe. Rub that in real good. And don't be afraid to get it on your hands. It will do wonders for your skin. Now you see how that's gotten darker with the oil. That's pretty much what the other cross did for the whole face of it. I wasn't happy with that, so that's where we are now. I'm literally just slathering as much as I want or physically can on this thing. I guess if you really want, you could dunk it in like a bath. I just work it into the wood there. Beautiful grain structure. Almost actually matches my desk. That is not clear. That's a pretty cool illusion. We'll get that all nice.